Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join the ice skating challenge in Heartopia game Winter Frost season. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this Winter Frost season, you can join the ice skating challenge, this one. But to unlock this challenge, you need to have level 20, if I'm not mistaken. You can go to the Winter Utopia first and go to this area, the ice skating area, and then you will get this question, start ice skating, and just click on the check mark. And then you're going to choose the ice skating challenge. All right. And then you need to score 2,000 points within 90 seconds, and I'm going to click on start. Okay, and just do ice skating here, just like this. And remember that you need to get 2,000 score. Okay guys, and that's how you can join the ice skating challenge in Heartopia game Winter Frost season. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!